Welcome to Studio House Design, where rustic charm meets refined elegance. Dive into beautiful farmhouse rooms inspired by Erin Napier's Southern winter tradition. Each space tells a cozy story through timeless textures and warm details. Join us for inspiring design ideas that make every house a heartfelt home. Picture yourself curled up in this living room where every texture tells a story of comfort and heritage. The chunky knit throws invite lazy afternoons, while winter greenery brings the season indoors. Soft light dances across weathered wood, creating a sanctuary that feels both timeless and deeply personal. Gather around this table where mismatched chairs celebrate individuality and imperfection. The evergreen garland brings forest freshness inside, while brass light flickers like candlelight. This dining space whispers of shared meals and lingering conversations, where Southern hospitality meets effortless elegance in every beautifully worn detail. Step into a kitchen where cooking becomes pure joy. Butcher block counters bear the marks of countless meals prepared with love, while open shelving displays treasured pieces collected over time. Morning light floods through cafe curtains, illuminating a space designed for both nourishment and creativity, blending vintage charm with everyday functionality. Retreat to this bedroom sanctuary designed for deep rest and gentle mornings. Layers of quilts and pillows create a cocoon of comfort, while weathered wood walls bring nature's calm indoors. The iron bed frame anchors the space with quiet strength, inviting you to slow down and embrace winter's restful rhythm. Discover your perfect hideaway in this sunlit reading corner where time stands still. The wingback chair cradles you in comfort while winter light streams through linen curtains. Stack your favorite books nearby, Wrap yourself in that buffalo check throw, and let the afternoon drift away in this peaceful retreat. Celebrate the beauty of organized simplicity in this thoughtfully arranged pantry. Glass jars reveal colorful preserves and dried herbs, while wooden shelves hold generations of kitchen wisdom. Everything has its place here, creating a space that's both functional and soul-satisfying, where everyday essentials become objects of quiet beauty. Welcome home through this mudroom that sets the tone for Southern hospitality. The reclaimed wood bench invites you to pause and transition, while metal hooks hold the day's adventures. Winter greenery in galvanized buckets brings seasonal charm, creating an entry that's both practical and warmly inviting to all who arrive. Bask in natural light flooding this sun-drenched room where indoor comfort meets outdoor beauty. Slipcover sofas and wicker chairs create an effortless mix of textures, while winter greenery reminds you of the season beyond the windows. This transitional space blurs boundaries, offering year-round connection to nature's changing beauty and quiet grace. Settle into this thoughtfully designed workspace where productivity meets tranquility. The substantial desk provides room for creative endeavors, while organized shelving keeps inspiration within reach. Natural light filters through linen shades, illuminating a space that honors both focused work and contemplative moments, proving productivity can feel peaceful and intentional. Transform everyday chores into moments of satisfaction in this beautifully organized laundry space. The farmhouse sink and butcher block counter make tasks feel less like work, while open shelving displays supplies with honest beauty. Vintage details and warm lighting prove that even functional spaces deserve thoughtful design and genuine care. Rest easy in this guest room that wraps visitors in authentic Southern hospitality. Layered bedding in soft hues invites deep sleep, while vintage quilts add personal history. The distressed white bed frame and mismatched nightstands create an effortlessly collected look, ensuring every guest feels cherished and welcomed into your home's warm embrace. Savor morning coffee in this intimate breakfast nook where simple pleasures take center stage. Built-in seating topped with plush cushions creates a cozy cocoon, while winter sunlight streams through tall windows. The round table encourages face-to-face connection, making even quick breakfasts feel special and unhurried in this beloved corner. Lose yourself among treasured volumes in this sophisticated library corner. Floor-to-ceiling shelves house beloved books and meaningful objects, while the leather chair beckons you to sit and stay a while. Natural light illuminates pages of wisdom and wonder, creating a space dedicated to learning, reflection, and the timeless pleasure of reading. Step outside to this covered porch where indoor comfort extends into nature's embrace. The hanging swing sways gently in winter breezes, while evergreen planters frame dormant garden views. String lights overhead promise cozy evenings under the stars, creating an outdoor room that celebrates seasonal beauty and the simple pleasure of watching nature rest. Thanks for exploring these cozy farmhouse spaces with us. If you love the warmth and charm of Erin Napier's Southern style, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite room. We can't wait to share more inspiring home designs together right here at Studio House Design.